Ever wake up and feel like today is going to be a boring day, nothing exciting, nothing fun? Well, what if I told you you can make any day exciting with just a few small changes? Now, I really want you to watch this video because it's going to help anyone who watches it, and I'm going to share some fun, valuable tips that can make any day exciting. So let's get started. First, you want to start your day off the small win. Now, by small win, I mean anything such as making your bed, and you've probably heard that successful people make their bed every morning. Now, they don't do it just for fun. By making your bed, you give your brain a micro victory, and this sets a positive tone that keeps you motivated throughout your day. Next, you want to try something new. Break your routine into a fresh experience. Maybe you can try out a new snack, mix something new in your cereal this morning, or maybe just try a new coffee or a new route to school or work. And these things will help you feel adventurous and excited. And talking about adventures, you also want to make some small things that make your day memorable. For example, you could take a walk in a park or visit some new coffee shop or maybe learn a random skill in half an hour. And these moments make your brain associate the day with fun and excitement. And while doing these mini adventures, you also want to make sure that you switch up the order of your day and try new stuff. For example, I never really liked to work at my desk, but once I changed my desk setup and added some fun elements to it, my day became more fun and I wanted to work more because my setup was fresh and new. And lastly, you want to end on a high note. Finish your day doing something enjoyable or relaxing. This could be journaling your highlights, listening to a favorite song, or watching a funny clip. And these things give your brain a good closure to the day and leaves you ready and sleeping happily. And by doing this, you'll make sure that your next day goes good because you ended your day with something positive. So there you have it. If this helped, please subscribe, like, comment your favorite tip, and try this tomorrow and see how your day transforms.